this question, we will be using this by conversion, changing units of moles and atoms and grams and mole. For number 1, we are asked to solve for mg atoms. So from the starting amount in moles, the conversion factor, and the answer. So starting amount is 3.24 mole times 6.022 times 10 to the 23 atoms of Mg per 1 mole of Mg. So this is 3.24 moles of Mg. This is equals to 1.95 times 10 to the 24 atoms of Mg. For number 2, we have mole of copper.